Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to create surface. So I will create new design, and if you want to create surface, you can create from the unclosed entities. As example, I will create line in here, and to convert into surface, you can use Pool Tools, select the line objects, and then you can move to create the surface. Another option I will create again for the new sketch with these tools, 3-point arch. I will create in it. After it, you can use Pool Tools to convert this arch into surface. And the third, we can use the blend tools. As example, you can create again the new sketch. I will create with these line tools in here. And after it, you can create new plane from this y-axis, and you can move the plane object to the top. After it, we create again another sketch. I will draw with the line again. And you can click and sketch editing. Now we can use the blend tools to convert into surface. You can click here, blend, and you can select, and then press Ctrl button to select this line. So it create the surface. Click OK to apply. I will select again this line with this line, and then this line with this line. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to create a surface. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.